Cramonies Primary School acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, I want to say how excited I am when I look in the diary and see next week we're celebrating Harmony Day. Wonderful opportunity for all of us to come together, wonderful opportunity to invite parents into the school, and I believe some of our children will be presenting some spectacular performances. My next message is to say a big thank you to the staff who gave up their time during the week to complete the first aid update and training. I'll also congratulate our Year 5 and Year 3 students who are participating in that plan, seeing some fantastic work around the school. Keep up the good effort. We're very, very proud of your efforts with the NAP plan. Dental van, great to see the dental van on site supporting students. I know we've had many students go over to the dental van. We've got many students yet to visit the dental van in the coming weeks. SWPBS, next week is all about user technology. We use our login credentials and we follow the ICT user agreement. Your teachers will be talking more about that during the week. Reminder about reading, please ensure that you read every single day, even on weekends. Find a book or something you enjoy reading, find somewhere quiet and comfortable. And you may even like to read to somebody at home. Read to your dog, read to your cat. If you've got a mouse, read to your mouse. Enjoy reading time. Thank you, everybody. Look, have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. And just a reminder about if you're scootering around or riding around, that you wear your safety helmet at all times. All right, thanks everybody. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Next week, SWPBS goals are going to be: we use people's preferred names and pronouns.
Good morning, Mrs. Vandenbroek.
Good morning. I'm just letting you know that my name is actually Miss Vandenbroek.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Hi, Rico. Could I please borrow your pencil? My preferred name is Reet. Sorry, Reet. Anyway, yes, you can borrow my pencil. Thank you for using my preferred name. You're welcome. Excuse me. So he got her.
Okay.
He got her.
Oh, he got her.
I have the preferred name by she, her pronoun.
Oh, thank you. Do you mind just correcting that?
Oh, sorry, she got her.
Now, can I help you with your name?
Hello everyone, Miss Hollandquist here with an exciting announcement for students who have made our district cross-country team for 2023. Make sure you watch the presentation to see if you can find your name. Congratulations to all of those students. Students who have made the team, you will be notified shortly through Compass. Please tell your parents to check Compass so they can consent to the event and pay for the bus. The district cross-country event will be held on the last week of Term 1, which is Wednesday the 5th of April. We wish all of these students well. Please, students, if you have made the team, you'll have some more information to follow closer to the event. Any questions, please feel free to come and speak to me, Miss Hollandquist, or the other PE teachers.